We have Ugur from Metus. Hi Ugur, thank you for coming on.
Thank you very much.
Last but not least, I am sure. Now I've asked this of every guest who's come on. I think it's important that if you could just give us a quick overview of Metus, tell us what you're all about.
Metus is actually a pretty old software company, 14 years old, but it used to do OEM work only, and it worked through some partners. But only since the last 2 or 3 years, it's working under its own brand name and trying to make its own presence known in the market.
Yep.
And it's a software company specialized in asset management and capture transcoding systems.
Right.
And the key point of the company is to make affordable and working products using off-the-shelf components like Blackmagic cards, etc.
So obviously this is IBC and this is a great place to come and show off what you do and talk about it to lots of people. What sort of products are you showing this year at IBC?
We are showing the new releases of our Ingest, which is a multi-channel, multi-profile capture software. And new for IBC, we are showing edit file ingest workflows with our ingest. So while we are capturing some signal, you can immediately drop into your Edius or Premiere editor and start editing in place while the capture is going on. So you can immediately have results before the recording is over. That's one new thing. And we also are showing Avid support for our MUM and Ingest, which is new. So we can generate Avid-friendly DNX HD content. And with small things like this, and using again off-the-shelf components like Blackmagic, we can turn a standard workstation into a dedicated capture server, like with the likes of Harris, DVS, etc. For MUM, we are showing our new web interface and Avid integration, and some more features.
Right. So one of the advantages of your system then is that you can use off-the-shelf, easily accessible and very cost-effective components to be able to put something together. So if somebody has an edit suite and they want to add your system in, they can convert or change one of their workstations, for example, into something that would act as an ingest. Of course,
just put a Blackmagic card in and install our software and you're good to go. And it's the same philosophy for our asset management.
Right.
It can work with any storage system, any server, and any take device.
So if people want to purchase one of these systems, how's the licensing work with one of your, for example, the ingest system and the asset management systems?
It depends on the, for ingest, it depends on the number of channels.
Right.
And for asset management, it depends on the type of amount of content and how many clients will access it. And we are talking about prices that are sub 5,000 euros to go up to several tens of thousands.
So the product itself is scalable, so you can start small.
It's flexible and scalable.
So you can start small, work up as you add more users, more channels.
Exactly.
That can come in. That's great. If people want to see you, whereabouts will they find you in the show here?
We're at Hall 9, 9A09, and other information at our website, www.metus.com.
And your website again, just say?
www.metus.com.
Metus.com, so that's metus.com, and information about the new releases is all up there on the website. Ugur, thank you very much for coming on and talking to us about it. It's much appreciated. It is a really good system, especially if you want to add it. You've got hardware in place, you can just put this system on, and before you know it, you have a full-on multi-channel ingest and acquisition system, video asset management system. It's quite amazing. Again, they are in Hall 9 and it is booth A09 or metus.com.